Hi everyone, quickly following on here from the previous video I've just looked at, which was sectors. This is now sectors, but what happens if you're asked to work backwards? So when we look at this, what we've been told is the area is 88.4. So I've already been given the information. So what I now need to work out is it's asking me to find the arc length, which means I need to find this. Now, in order to find that, what I then need to do is find the angle first. So in order to find the angle, I write down everything I know. So in any maths question, just think to yourself, what do I know? And here's what I know. So I know that the formula is angle over 360 times pi times the radius squared, because it's to do with area, and that gives me 88.4. So I'm plugging in all the information I know. When I do that, it's 81 pi, because 9 squared is 81. Now what I need to do is rearrange this. So I need to get this angle bit on its own. So I take the 81 pi, and it becomes a divide by 81 pi. Keep it all in terms of pi on your calculator, makes it really easy to work with. So then all you're doing is angle over 360 is equal to 88.4 divided by 81 pi. When you then work that out, that ends up giving you 0.347. It's a 4 if I round it to 4 decimal places. So I'm saying something divided by 360 is equal to that. I still need to get the angle on its own, so now I pick up this 360, take it over, and I times it by 360. So I'm saying the angle is equal to 0.374 times by 360, and when you do that, you end up with 125 degrees. So this is my angle. I can now go back here and type in 125 degrees. From there, I need to find the arc length. So if you're not 100% sure on the arc length, it is angle divided by 360 times pi times by the diameter. And in this case, we now know it's 125 divided by 360 times pi. Diameter is double that, so it would be 18. Plug that into your calculator and you'll get an answer of 19.6 centimeters. So that would be my arc length. 19.6 is there. So that's if you're asked to work backwards, rearrange it, find the bit you need and plug it back in.